Hello everyone, welcome to the another very important video in which I'm quickly gonna share the time management strategy for your upcoming CSIR net exam, because now you are gonna have just some time remaining before your exam, so you should be ready with the strategy and the plan which you will be considering to work on the questions in the exam. So, what should be your time management strategy? Let me just explain it quickly and then you can just make your plan accordingly. But you have to go through all the steps I'm going to tell you to make your proper plan of action, and so that it can even help you. So, you will have three sections in your exam: part A, part B, and part C. In part A, you will have total 20 questions and you have to do 15 out of them. Here you will have approximately 25, you have to do 20 out of them. Here you will have 30, you have to do 20 out of them. So in this case, you will have each question like giving you the 2 marks for the correct answer, and here you will have 3.5 marks for the correct answer in part B, and part C 5 marks for the correct answer. But you will also have the negative marking, which is 25% of the correct answers marks you're gonna get, right, if you make it incorrect. So now what you have to do, the most common question asked by the students is that from which section I should start working on the questions. Should I start from part A, part B, or part C? It will be completely your decision. It doesn't matter. Even if somebody is gonna score very good marks, they can score it from the starting the questions from part A or from B or from C. It is not gonna affect that thing. But yeah, what keeps you motivated, what works better for you, what is your mindset about it, like this should be done, you can follow that. There is no issue whether you want to go for part A first, part B first, or part C first. Even if you will look at the toppers interview, it's not like somebody is a topper because he or she has started from part C to solve the questions, or from part B, or from part A. There is no such rule. We are the one who will be making that rule. So whatever you think will be working for you, just start working on that section first in your exam and go through it. Okay, then switch to the another one and next one then. So for the part A, I'm gonna tell you what you can do, or even if you're starting from any other section, so similarly we'll work on that. So let's say we are gonna decide right now, we will give 45 seconds to each question's answer to work on it for part A, or it can be 1 minute or it can be 1.5 minutes. It will be completely your decision, but I would say 45 seconds to 1 minute will be okay for part A. So in that case, it will take approximately 20 to 25 minutes, because there will be some questions you will just be reading them and you will feel like I don't know anything about it, so I'm just going to quickly leave it and then go to the next one. It should be a quick decision, but it can be the situation that you know something about that question but you are not able to think about it at the moment, so you want to check it out later on. You can mark those questions for review at the same time and you can go for the next one and work on that, right? So this is how you will keep on taking your quick actions, but you will take the time you have considered you will devote for that particular section or for solving the questions there. So once you have devoted 25 minutes, now this time can be different for your plan. Means what you are considering. Are you taking more time for each question or less time? This overall time will change. Okay. So after doing this way, and whatever question you're reading and you think like, oh, I can do it, solve it. Whatever is the right answer according to you, mark it, go ahead to the next one. This is what you will keep on doing, and it will take approximately 20 to 25 minutes for you to complete the part A in this way. Whether you worked on some questions or no, you just leave them at the moment, but in the second round you will come back to those questions and you will work on that. Similarly for part B, let's say somebody is gonna think about devoting the 1.5 minutes approximately for any question, but there will be some questions you will just read them and you will feel like you are not gonna do them because you don't know, or you feel like there will be much more calculation, so you don't want to spend much more time on that right now. But that doesn't mean that you will not be working on it. Later on you will come back and you will work on that. What is the complete plan? Have a look at that and then you will understand everything. So when you're devoting approximately 1.5 minutes, let's say you are gonna have approximately 40 minutes for this section. I'm including the time you will take to read some questions, you're not working on them, you're reading some questions, you're working on them, you're trying them. And let's say when you try some question and at some point of time you stuck, means you think like, oh, it's gonna keep on taking time, I was planning to work on it just in within 1.5 minutes, so still it's just keep on taking time. You can stop working on it there, and you can just um, go ahead to the next one, and you can come back to that question's answer, write it properly in your rough notebook or the work you are doing there, so that later on you can come back and check there itself. Okay, so this is how approximately within 40 minutes you will be able to work on these things. And let's say for this one you are devoting approximately 60 minutes. I'm taking on an average 2 minutes for each and every question. Okay, while there will still be some questions you will just read them and you will feel like, no, I don't want to go through it, or I don't know anything about it, still on an average I have included the 2 minutes for every question. Okay, it's not necessary you have to devote, you may be moving from one question to another within a minute, within few seconds, that's all right, but we are taking enough time for every section. So this way, 25, 40, 40, 50, 60, 65, and 60, 105 minutes you have devoted, right? So 40, 50, 60, 65, and 60, 105. Not 105 actually, but still 1 hour 5 minutes for this and 1 hour for this. 2 hours 5 minutes, right? In that case it's still 55 minutes, or for someone if they will be changing the time in a particular section, approximately 45, 30, approximate that much time still will be remaining. Now once this much time is remaining, you will go back to that particular section and the questions you want to work on now, which were more time taking, which were difficult to understand at that point of time, and you want to devote some time on them now, check them out, work on them, and this will surely be helping you to work on the questions before time, and even to feel like you have enough time to work on the questions in the exam. So this is the strategy you can follow, and this will surely be helpful for every one of you guys. Now, after discussing this, I would quickly like to show you some of the important slides here, which are regarding the Unacademy subscription. So even now the important notes are available on the learning app, which will surely be helping you to take your preparation to the next level. Even so many new courses will be starting on Unacademy in upcoming days. So if you don't want to miss these important courses in the classes by the top educators, you can take the Unacademy subscription and start your preparation under the guidance of top educators now. You can use and apply the referral code that's Anjali Live as mentioned here on the screen to get the discount in the total subscription amount. Also guys, this is about the plus subscription. We have all the details mentioned here. This is about the light subscription. This is about the Unacademy Plus Iconic and the light subscription, and all the details about them have been shown here. Even if any of your friends want to take the subscription, you can share this information with them and let them know about all these things, so that they can just easily go ahead to take their subscription and can start their preparation for the exam, can do the best preparation under the guidance of top educators too. You can use and apply the code Anjali Live to get the discount in the total subscription amount. Anybody who will be taking the subscription. Thank you so much everyone for joining this session and for attending it till the end. Also guys, all the details shown here will be helping you to decide which subscription you find more beneficial for you and which one you want to take. So you can take your preparation to the next level under the guidance of top educator this way. And guys, I hope the strategy we have talked about today in this video will surely be helping you all. So keep doing the work you are doing and give your best, and that's it, everything will be best. Thank you everyone. And if you're new on this channel, you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you everyone.